Welcome to Mindfulness Mondays by Total Healing, a calming meditation to ground you for the week ahead. Today, we're ringing in the new year with a gentle meditation to manifest our desires for the upcoming 12 months. Wherever you are, let's soften the mind and body and step into this practice together. This manifesting meditation will allow you to amplify your attracting power. You'll align yourself with the loving energy of the universe so that you manifest the changes you desire going into 2026. Take a moment, find a comfortable seated position, or lie down if that's more comfortable in a quiet, secluded place. Make yourself completely comfortable now and make sure that you will not be disturbed. The ability to manifest lies within every one of us. All it takes is learning simple techniques in mindfulness through things like meditation to awaken this power. Contrary to popular belief, meditation is not about completely clearing your mind. We have a mind for a reason. Meditation is training your mind to perform exactly how we intend it to, instead of allowing the mind to drag us around. The most helpful thing that all of us have access to at any time is our breath. Our breath has been there since the moment we were born, and every day it is keeping you alive. So by honoring our breath, when we are ready to set our intentions, creates a very powerful experience. Begin by setting the intention to manifest the changes you desire. Say to yourself now, I manifest the changes that I desire. Let's honor our breath now by taking 5 significant and dedicated breaths. Let's begin. 1. Fully inhale, expanding your belly and chest as much as you can, holding it for just a moment. And exhale, feeling a wave of relaxation sweep over you. 2. Inhale, filling the entire breathing system with fresh oxygen. Now hold. And exhale, noticing again that wave of relaxation gently sweeping over your body. 3. Inhale so deeply that you are just brimming with air. Take a moment at the top of your breath to soak in the life force that we call oxygen. And exhale, noticing your body relaxing in many areas without any effort. 4. Fully inhale the life force, feeling these breaths purifying your entire body. Exhaling now, not trying to do anything at all. Simply notice how you're feeling. And finally, 5. Last breath. A full and beautiful breath coming in. Hold it. Feel that goodness of this simple task. And exhale, allowing that wave of relaxation to again sweep over you. Let your breathing return to normal and just take note of how you are feeling in this very moment. You now have an abundance of oxygen. This is how we were truly created to feel. Breathing deeply and fully is an expression of self-compassion. It unites us with universal love. Let your breath just be natural and notice how this abundance feels. Very good. This is your new tool that you can use whenever you're ready to manifest the reality that you desire. When you're feeling any kind of lack of motivation or negative inner talk, you can immediately pause and take 5 deep, purposeful, and powerful breaths. These breaths always allow for you to relax. Taking these conscious and dedicated breaths give you clarity and amplify your health. So the next time you catch yourself at a standstill, you must take these 5 healing breaths. Manifesting is easy once you know the recipe. All you need are 3 things: desire, dedication, and trust. Desire is the first ingredient in manifestation. You must know what you want and desire it so greatly that you clearly see any path that you need to take to get there. Knowing exactly what you are manifesting is very important. The more details you can add to your desire, the better. You can write down your aspirations and goals, and you can set an exact time that you want it to be accomplished. When you set an exact date as to when you want your goals to be met and write them down, that desire is firmly given to your subconscious mind, and it is now taking action. Take a moment to think about your dreams and aspirations and see as many details as possible. Dedication is the second ingredient in manifestation. Only you can put in the effort to take steps towards your desires, network with others, and motivate yourself to practice these meditation techniques every day. You must dedicate time every single day to do something that takes you closer to gaining what you seek. Only you can do this. No one else can be dedicated for you. Manifestation starts with you. Now take a few minutes to think about ways in which you can show up and dedicate yourself to your 2026 desires. The last ingredient for manifestation is trust. This is the easiest part because you simply let go and trust. You completely let go of thinking too hard about the things that you have to do to bring it all together, and just have the confidence that things always will fall into place perfectly. You must believe with certainty that your goal is attainable, so have faith. Take a few moments now to really trust in your desires becoming reality. Notice how you are feeling right now. Now say to yourself, I know I can achieve my aspirations. Repeat after me. I deeply believe in myself. I see clearly how my goals and aspirations are attained. I have a great desire to manifest my aspirations. I put in daily dedication that is required of me. I always believe in myself. I trust the loving energy of the universe. Visualizing is an extremely powerful way to manifest. So imagine now that you have attained all that you desire. See yourself vividly in your mind, having already achieved your goals. Visualize yourself attaining your goals with great detail. Visualize your intentions fulfilled. Notice what you look like and who you are talking to. The more details you can add, the better. See the surroundings, such as where you are, places you go, and who is around. Take several moments to vividly see yourself having manifested all that you wish. This work that you're doing in today's practice is changing your life for the better. So remember, honor your breath every single day by taking a moment to fully breathe in and out several times. When you breathe deeply, you automatically relax, and being relaxed is the first step in being in control of your life and in control of your emotions. And remember to take these 3 words with you throughout your day: desire, dedication, and trust. Repeat them to yourself whenever you can. Great job today. Now slowly bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Thank you so much for sharing this calm with me today. See you next Mindfulness Monday.